On suppon à Tim te roi à porfate who livet witi tresson. Cernam vrpete, Paul, en bout. Oisopor, dino avetuo panitur jete. Onode, te fate knewa must do. Calisson ovetuim. Trino muche fodlatint ouz, sed. Ensunt ruil benon letal. Tol temitoano god fortem tous teoman imor. Trion lion ting tudo, sed. Misson, iti team for you to go out and to the world. Not lando urtel lived war ulet be a king. The king lived in a palace on top of a very big hill. Like to look out on se donne Pontland. But agrea act very fast, encovered bedroom window. Titre was so with tight stopped all sunlight from coming acid. En you can be sur the king one happy abuta. The king said you'll give a fortune to onion who could chop don't actre. Buno could do it. For as soon on ship of the trunk fly off, to more greyback. 3 more to tell you. The island the king palace wamad up of solid rock. Novel water could rise up through the solid rock. En so the king did no have fresh well water to drink. Could no understand we everyone else in the kingdom had clean, fresh well water to drink, buno him, the king of the land. En so mad en announcement far en we de. We could chop down the actre and dig a well for fresh water at the palace, we would win half the kingdom. You can imagine Torvormani who come to tree Sir Luke. Bu for alt shopping en hacking, en for alt digging, it was no use. Te hack treon ligo more weed en mortal ivory shop. En te rocken de te palace did no even ship. When pete, Paul en bout sir te king announcement, te me paid for joy. Te ultri, to. Te fate wa glad, even if is on did no win half the kingdom, te might mesomon on te who could give them a job. En wit a god maste, a list te will diat well. So te fate sell goodbye to son en wish them well. En te tre broter said off. Pete, Paul en bout jumped for joy. Te broter had no gone far before te come to a forest of fir tree. Allons on side of the forest rose stipil. A te valke, teir sommeting shopping en hacking away on te side of the hill. Io on de white itai shopping on the hill, said boot. Since when it so odd for how you would cut to shop on a hill, said pete en Paul. Tion soon differ, said boot. He would like to find out why it. He broter said. You think you're so smart. Until ged. Just the Sam, said Boots, he would like to find out. Boots climbed stipil to so certain was come from. When reached place, what do you think so? Oui, en access to the racking en shopping, I'll be itself, at trunk of a fir tree. Good day, said Boot. So you stand alone en shop. Do you? He. Have stood on show dans a quai long time, waiting for you, said Axe. Well, am a last, said Boot. Talk to accent tu dit un day belt. Ten hurrier on to catch up with broter. Te alvalke on habite mort. Sunt broter vervalking un de asti proki overan. Above the rock, teir anoise ta sounded like digging. Io onde, said Boots, wow you'll be digging en shoveling, up on top of the rock. There you go again, with your foolish wondering. Logue pete en Paul again. Did you know how you take care? Tion soon differ, said Boot. I think he will go so white for myself. En so of set to climb the rock. I broter logue en mad fun of him. But did no let a jet to him. Boots climbed. When go near the top, what do you think so? Oui, a shovel task to the digging will be itself. Godet. 7 bout. Soyuz standera la lone, en digan Chauvel. I, Taiwa Ido, 7 Chauvel, en Taiwa I have done Timani à Londres, waiting for you. Vel Priam, 7 bout. Tokte Chauvel. Slingini tovei shoulder urietu catchup witi broter. Te alo ton agin à godbit, til te cam tu à brook. Teveral tirsti, te tre of them, afte serlon valk. En teledon at brook tu avadring. Vel Priam, 7 bout. Io onde o eralti water come from, 7 bout. You say you onde o earth water come from? 7 pété en pôle. Veo onde wavron with you. WHO caro et water come from? Juste te sam, I would like to fin out, 7 bout. So away o? Alvelke on non, te brougos malé en smalé. À last, what do you think so? Oui, agré à walnu. En out of ta, a big flow of water rend out. Good day. 7 bout sagin. So you lire, en let water run out in a big flow à la lone? Ido, 7 walnu, en I have let water run out in a big flow timani à Londres, waiting for you. Priam, 7 bout. Plus get all with moss, so the water you'll no run anymore. Ten stufet walnu un to pocket en rentu catchup to I broter. Bui broter ad already gone à toute city. Everion int kingdom kne otemite win alft kingdom if te cool don li shop don't big a candy king vel. So many of them ad already come to tri serluc. Bunot aqua twis awid, en twis atal it had been before. Ante roi no dans int rock. The king wamad. Oui dote was to meet him? Anion WHO trié en cool no shop don't a cooled but on a ship en tout à faraway Island, in disgrace. Bit team boots ad riachet city, it war broter ad already trié en feled. Tever already on ta ship, id tout faraway Island. No boot so up to the king, en asked tout a kiturne. Wamak you think you will do better than your broter? Snapped the king. You ma vel service de trouble. Juste val qu'on nove tout a ship no? Well, I will just like to three first, 7 boots, if ima. So the king said to go ahead, since it will no tackle anyway. 10 boot stock to axe out from Monday belt. Shop away. C'est tout l'axe. En away it showed, making the ships flee. It was no longer forte hack trewa showed don. When tao adon, boot se riachet forte chevel ovei shoulder. Dig away. Said toute chevel. Te chevel begant ou digan dig tilt dire en rock flay out. Suna oloa du great next toute palace. Boot stock out te wal nuance set it don in tovel. Te pull out te plug of moz. Let water flow, said boot. So te wal nu let water out in a big flow. In a short team, fresh cool water bubbled a iga a fouintin. Te king adalt water cool devewan. Boot soit on WHO at showed don te hack treta shadet king palace. En boot soit on WHO ad du gavel int palace yard. En so boot soit on WHO on alft kingdom, at king had promised. The king smiled. Boot se set to him, you know, Everion WHO came before what praying to help. Oabu if you let them come back home from Island? The king was so happy with alt news nini windows, en alt fresh water cooled one, t'as dit. En so pété en pôle comeback. But à Timoton, ce me team pété en pôle on devrait diff tever no BT of back contre Island. Forte, te dit no have to listen al del on to Everion saying, ta boot sur wak levé to on de a boot you ongoing search of answer.